Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Cellular on your Apple Watch Ultra. First, confirm you have a Cellular model and it is paired with your iPhone. Next, ensure both devices are updated to their latest software. Also, check that your mobile carrier supports Apple Watch Cellular service and your current plan is eligible. Typically, your iPhone and watch need to be on the same carrier for seamless integration. To activate Cellular, open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Tap the My Watch tab, then select Cellular. You will see an option to set up Cellular. Tap this and follow the prompts from your carrier. This usually involves logging into your existing mobile account to add your watch, which uses an eSIM, to your current phone plan. The process is straightforward and typically takes just a few minutes. Once activated, your Apple Watch shares your iPhone's phone number and data plan, allowing calls and texts without your phone nearby. Most carriers charge a small monthly fee, typically around $5 to $10, for this service. You can easily turn Cellular on or off from your watch's control center to save battery. Also, monitor your data usage directly through the Watch app on your iPhone. If you encounter any cellular issues, first try restarting both your Apple Watch and iPhone. Always ensure both devices have the latest software and carrier settings updates installed. Confirm your cellular plan has enough data available. If problems continue, you can try removing and then re-adding your cellular plan through the Watch app. For persistent issues, contacting your mobile carrier directly is the best next step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.